Someone is at the front door.
In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to get your Amazon Echo to alert you when someone presses your Ring doorbell. The devices include the Echo Dot, the Echo Show, the Echo Spot, and more. The first thing you need to do is open up the Alexa app. Once open, press the three lines on the bottom of the screen and go to Skills and Games. From here, search for Ring. Enable the Ring skill and press Enable to use. It will ask you to link your Amazon and Ring accounts. Press Agree and Continue. It's now been linked. It will now look for your Ring doorbell. As you can see, my Ring doorbell has been found, so I'll press Next. You can choose to add it to a group. I'm going to skip this, and it's now set up and ready to use. Now that's done, press the light bulb button and select your doorbell. Mine's called Front Door. From here you can see a live view of the camera. Press the gear icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. From this screen, the first thing you want to do is select your announcement devices. These are the devices that will alert you when someone's at the door. So I'm going to choose my Echo Spot, my Echo Show, my Echo Show 5, and my Echo Dot Max, and press back. You can then choose to have motion announcements turned on and off. Motion announcements will make the Echo alert you when someone passes near the doorbell. I keep mine turned off as the announcements can be a bit annoying. The setting you want turned on is Doorbell Press Notifications. This is the setting that will alert you when someone's at the front door. The last thing you want to set up is your doorbell sounds. There are many to choose from. Although I keep mine on default. And that's it, you're set up and ready to go. Now let's test it out to see if it's worked.
Someone is at the front door.
As you can hear, when I press the doorbell, the Echo's alerted me. The Echo Shows also show me a live feed of the person at the door. To talk to the person at the door, you can press a microphone, or if you're using an Echo, just ask. For example, Alexa, talk to the front door.
Okay.
I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please make sure you like and subscribe as it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.